The Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 is the latest to launch under the popular Note series. These are the best features of the smartphone. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 is the first smartphone to be powered by the latest MediaTek Helio G85. Tuned for gaming, the chipset offers 32% better performance as compared to the Snapdragon 665 according to the company. There's also up to 4GB RAM and 128GB of storage, which is plenty to store the latest apps and games. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 comes with an IR blaster on top, which helps you control appliances like ACs, TVs, and more through the Mi Remote app. This is one feature that remains unique to Xiaomi phones, and the Redmi Note 9 is no different. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 also sports a quad camera setup with a 48 megapixel camera with f1.79 aperture lens, along with an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera and two 2 megapixel cameras for macros and portraits. There's surely no dearth of options when it comes to taking photos. The Redmi Note series is also known for its all-day battery, and with a 5020 mAh battery under the hood, the Redmi Note 9 also ensures the same. Couple that with 18-watt fast charging out of the box, and the Redmi Note 9 also tops up pretty quickly, taking little more than an hour to reach 100%. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 features an all-glass design with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on the front. There's also a splash-proof nano coating on the body. The rear panel design is achieved using an intricate IMT process, resulting in a colorful and transparent design. So that was a quick look at the best features of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9. Thanks for watching.